Hey guys, so sometimes when we have to, do the same steps of the process, we might feel like it's starting to stifle our creativity, and I completely understand that. So, how would you explain to your coworker that it's not? Or even just give them some tips to think outside of the box so that way their creativity isn't stifled. One of the things that I like to do when I'm looking for some inspiration is I like to just sometimes do a quick Google search. I like to pull out magazines, actual print magazines, flip through the pages and look and see, because a lot of times you'll see some really good design ideas, but even more importantly you'll see those design ideas that just didn't hit the mark, and it gives you that idea of, ooh, that didn't work. So mental note, don't do that. So there's a lot of different ways that you can, get those creative juices flowing. Sometimes I even like to do a virtual walkthrough of an art gallery. Fine art. I mean, granted, graphic design, we're not doing fine art, but at the same time, color and shape and all of the different things that go together to make a great painting might give me some ideas for the piece that I'm designing. So there's a lot of different ways that you can think outside the box to get those creative juices flowing before you just sit down at the computer to sketch out your idea in Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign. So have fun writing this week, because this is something that you're probably going to run into a lot of times. All right, talk to you guys soon.